If you're running a business and you don't have a website, you're basically invisible. Everyone knows in today's age, you Google everything. So if I'm needing a type of service, I'm gonna be Googling it. And if you don't pop up and you don't have a website, you're never gonna get that job. So today I'm gonna be showing you how you could build a website super simple in a couple minutes using AI, and you don't need to know any type of tech or anything like that to set it up. So follow along and get yourself actually findable when it comes to searching for your type of service. So right now we're on this platform called Go High Level. I'm gonna link it down below. I'm gonna give you 30 days free trial to actually use this so you can set everything up. Usually it's 14, but I have a special link that'll give you 30 days. Everything's super simple, so you don't really gotta worry about anything to get your website up and running. We're gonna be using this AI studio on the left hand side right here. Don't mind all this stuff that's going on, it's just gonna confuse you. Today we're just gonna be focusing on building a website. So once you sign up, you're gonna be on this basic page right here. It's gonna be called AI Studios, but right now it's in beta, so you won't have access to it. How you get access to it is you go to settings on the bottom left right here. You're gonna scroll down and see labs right here. Click labs, and then in the search you're gonna type in AI Studio. I already have it check marked, so you're gonna check mark it open. Once you do that, you go back and you see AI Studio appear right here. Click AI Studio. Now you basically tell it what you want to do and tell it what kind of business you are. So I've already made a prompt to build out a full website. I'm gonna link it down below too if you want this prompt. This is what it looks like. So I have everything laid out here. We just have to kind of put in your company info just so it matches whatever you're doing. So I'm just gonna do legacy builders. Now this is just an example. This isn't really a real company. Let's say Los Angeles in California. Okay, so everything's all drawn up for me. We're just gonna click go. So it's gonna be building everything out for us, and you'll basically see the magic happen right in front of your eyes. Everything's super simple. You don't really need to know anything, and it's gonna build you out a website completely autonomous. So it's now complete, and it's built out a completely beautiful website for you to use in under a couple minutes. Normally this would have cost thousands of dollars to hire an agency to design you something and build it, but this did it under a couple minutes, and it looks amazing. Look at it. It has everything you would need, pictures included, fully set up, great design. It has get your free quote here, kitchen, bath, collects all the data information for you. So if people land on your website, you won't miss any jobs. People can inquire on your website, or they can call you at the top or at the bottom. You can easily change up anything you want on this website by just prompting it. I just typed in change the click to call to just my number, so it changed the bottom here to the number instead of click to call. Anything you want, you just prompt it and it'll do it for you. You don't have to know any type of tech or adjustments. We're gonna wanna go on namecheap.com. I'm gonna link it down below if you wanna use my link. That'll help me out as well, because if you get any type of domain, it'll also help me. So if we want to go and type in any type of domain that you want to get, for example, let's use abcexamplebuild.com, click search, see if it's available. If it is available, you just click add to cart, purchase this domain. You're going to want to go back into this website builder that we have. Click publish on the top right here. You're going to want to click publish. I already clicked it. But once you click publish, this add custom domain will be available. So you just want to hit add custom domain, enter in what you just bought, abcexamplebuilds.com, click continue. It's going to start linking everything up, and then you're going to want to change your DNS. So this is the only technical spot that you have to know. I'm gonna walk you through how you can set this all up. So you're gonna have your A name and your C name. You want to copy this A name at symbol, go back to Namecheap. You're going to want to go to the top left, hit dashboard. So once you're on this page, you're going to see domain list on the left. You're going to want to hit domain list, and you're going to see all your domains right here. You're going to want to click manage on the domain that you purchased. So once you're on manage, you're going to see 4 columns right here. Hit advanced DNS right at the top. Now once you're in advanced DNS, scroll to this list right here. I have everything set up already, but I'll show you how to do it. Click add new record right here. So the first one was a record, so we want to hit a record right here. The host was the @ symbol, so hit the @ symbol, go back to this, copy this, go back here, enter in the IP, and then hit this green check mark to save it. I already did it, so I'm not going to hit the green check mark, but save that, and then do it again. Go back to this, you see CNAME, this one, so hit add new record, scroll down, it'll say CNAME record, enter in www that it says, enter in this one that it gives you. Now everything here is going to be tailored to your website, so make sure you enter in yours that it gives you. Go back, the target is this one, hit the green check, and everything should be set up once you save it. So yeah, once you do that, you go back to here, click verify DNS. It might take like 30 seconds or a minute for it to register, but once you hit verify DNS, it's going to link everything up to your domain that you bought, and then your domain is going to be completely live with this website that you built out, and you can edit it at any time. Now, what's great about this platform, Go High Level, that we're using is every lead that enters in their information to the right here, you can actually log any client or customer details within this builder or this platform, so you can keep track of all of your leads and make sure that you never miss any type of inquiries that come in, and you can respond to them as well. So if we go back to the main page right here, on the left hand side we can see it says opportunities. So if we click opportunities, this is our pipeline. So every time someone enters in their information and their contact details to get a quote, it's going to populate on the left hand side in this new lead section right here. So you can keep track of everyone that is talking to you, or if you meet someone and you want to put them in this database to keep track of all your customers, you can click add opportunity up here and then enter in their basic information, and then you can kind of move them along the pipeline just so you can have your own kind of CRM or database where you manage all your clientele. Super awesome, tons of features in this, but the main thing we wanted to talk about is the websites. And I think that everything I covered here today, you can get a website up and running, and you can share with all your friends and family and new clientele, and you'll actually be findable when people are searching for you on the internet. What's also great about this is that in the website builder, if there's anything that's wrong or if this isn't connecting right, it should say connect to CRM once you have your website built. Connect to CRM basically means it connects to this pipeline right here, so you get everything going. At any point, if you need help or anything at all, comment down below, or you can actually type it into that AI website builder and said, hey, this isn't connecting to my CRM, can you connect it? And I'll do everything for you. So that's the beauty of AI. It's almost like a chat support. You can just type in whatever is wrong or whatever you need it to do, and it'll actually get it done for you. But if you need further help, you can always reach out to me or comment down below, and I can answer any of your questions. If you want to sign up for this, I'm gonna put it linked down below in my description. A free 30-day trial to this. Usually it's only 14, but I got you guys with the 30-day free trial. It'll also include kind of tutorials of how you can learn this whole kind of platform. There's a lot to learn on this because there's so many kind of cool features, but just right there, you can get a website up and going in a matter of minutes with just a prompt. And yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe. If you want to learn anything else, comment it down below, and thanks for watching. Hope to see you guys in another video. Peace.